Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT for Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna tell you about comments in WordPress. So first of all, start your web server. Wait for a bit. Yes, now come to your browser and type here localhost IT for Solutions, your project's name and admin. It's not IT for Solution, it's IT for Solution. Now I have to open dashboard, so I have to type WP admin. So here is my username and password. Now if we go for a post like about PHP, I'm gonna view this post. This is my post and here I can leave a comment. So I'm gonna tell you about comments. Here are the comments. So there are no comments. One comment is approved. So I'm gonna come here to visit my website. This is my PHP's category post. So I'm gonna comment in this. Wow, great post. Admin on January 13. This is the time and date of my comment, and this is my comment actually. Yes, now first there was 0 comment. Now after I comment in this post, here is 1 comment. Now if we come here comments, here is my comments, and admin has ability to approve, unapprove, reply, edit or delete these comments. When somebody commented on your post, you don't want to show this comment. Let me show you an example, one more. Here I'm gonna comment one more. What is this? I don't understand it. I have posted this comment. Now there are 2 comments showing in this. This comment has positive impact and this comment has negative impact. Now admin doesn't want to show the comments that have negative impact. So you can come here. Here is the ability option to unapprove or delete these comments. If I can unapprove this comment, and I can come here. So your comment is awaiting moderation. It means that this comment is awaited. If I can, this comment is unapproved. So this our viewers cannot view this comment. If I want to delete this comment, I can send it into trash. So if I can refresh this, now you can see that comment is removed from here, which was negative impact on my website. Now I'm gonna show you here trash. From you have the ability to send it as a spam, restore or delete permanently. This time I'm gonna delete this permanently. These are the comments that are in your pages, in your posts. Like if you show a post if you view a post in Facebook, for example, and there you have comments, and in Bootstrap, in WordPress, you have also ability of comments, and it's our admin's duty, or it's his authority to delete or view or send as spam these posts. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for further more interesting videos. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.